Guys, finally I'm outside and there's no leaf blower going or a lawnmower going, but now I hear like a tractor or a whatever. I don't know. I hear noises like it's planes, trains, and automobiles. I just want to get on today and show you and talk a little bit about trash. And first of all, before that, I'm going to show you something I got that I really like. This is remember when I don't know, it's been several videos back, I got the egg cooker by Dash. Well, let me show you what I found. I found the waffle maker by Dash. And it's just for one or two, you know, you could do for your whole family, but I really didn't want to get a big waffle maker. I just want to get something like if I want one, if I do breakfast in the morning for my husband and I, that I can do something that will be with eggs or whatever, have a little waffle. So I found this Dash, and it's the mini, it's mighty. Get cooking fast, ready, set, cook, family fun, quick cleanup. Now, that being said, my egg cooker is white. I couldn't find white, but I found it in this color, which is, I guess, more of a teal color. And it's, but it gets hot now, the upside, but you've got this, and I just spray it with a cooking spray, and I use like is it a third or a fourth cup of your pancake, put it down. It takes maybe a minute and a half. You can pick it up and look and see if you want to, if you want them a little bit browner or lighter or whatever, as long as they're done, right? So anyway, it has the thick cord, but this will lights up when it's ready, and so there you go. If you're thinking about getting something, a mini one to try, this will be great for camping, for campers, for if you're going to somewhere you could pack. You could even pack this in your luggage if you're going on a trip and you've got a condo and you want to do waffles one morning or something. I'm just thinking this thing's a little versatile. It's just like when we travel, sometimes I have a 1-cup Craig coffee maker that I take. So we'll have that coffee, put the little cup, so you never know. Next, let's go through the trash. These things I've showed you, some of them I've showed them on Instagram, I've shown them on, let's see, probably Facebook or whatever, but this, let me just go through this. These are the Nathan's Jumbo restaurant style beef franks, and they're all beef. They are so good. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything but Nathan's from now on. They've been in business since 1916, so they're doing something right? Next, I used this before, and I love this, the Green Wise chicken broth. If you've not tried this, try it. It's really good. These are the cook and tell on shrimp. They are cooked already. All you have to do is warm them up. I just take a pot of water with some bay seasoning, and I put that in the pot. When it comes to a boil, you know they're done. They're heated. Just take them out. You don't want to do them too long because they're already cooked, and you don't want them to get tough. I had showed you the chicken egg rolls from P.F. Chang's. Well, we had the vegetable ones too. Delicious. Hello, delicious. You're gonna like these too, but these are the vegetable ones. I will get these again. The next thing is, you know, I showed you about in one of my cooking videos, the sliced mushrooms. Love them. They really are good. They are, let's see, it's just, only thing is in here, it's just, you know, it even says you could do them with risotto, you could do it with rice dishes, you can do it with homemade pizzas, you can do it with stuffings, enchiladas, fajitas recipes. Upside down. Sliced mushroom. You know me. I don't edit. Okay, next. These are the snacks, little sweet peppers. These are so good. You can see them right there. These are so good. Just get them out. You're really hungry. You want some kind of little, well, hello bird. My bird just almost came in on me. But these, if you've not tried these and you see them, They're sweet and they're good. I just put them in my salads and I took snacks, and you can grill them too. This is my husband's favorite potato chip, kettle cooked. It's cut off. He opened them upside down, and when it gets down to the bottom of the bag, he cuts them so he can get into them. So, but these kettle cooked are delicious. All right, let's see here. We have a Juro coffee maker, and what I'll do is I've been thinking about doing a, showing my Juro. I know you'll see them in a lot of the specialty shops and things like that. We had it probably 12, 13 years. And so we got a new one last year. But this is we went to a restaurant here in Atlanta, and their coffee was so good. And we could, you could smell the fresh beans. They did espressos, cappuccinos, all that. Our machine will do the same thing. And we asked what kind of beans. Well, we went online and we found it. Lazara, maybe that's the way you pronounce it. Italian bean. These are so good. These are so good on anything you make. If you want to make regular coffee, you want to make espresso, you want to make cappuccino, whatever, and they are good. The bag still smells good, but I order them online. But you can give that. I'm not really 100% sure how you pronounce that. Lazara? Is that right? Anyway, there you go. Just do a screenshot if you use fresh beans, or if you have a grinder. Is that all the food things? Nope. Okay. I have a hummingbird feeder. Whoops! I think my camera's trying to fall, and I might be crooked now. But anyway, I get the little ones. These granulated. This is 12 ounces. But I get the little ones because we don't use a lot of sugar, because I use the Splenda, and if I do the baking, I do the baking Splenda that's half and half. So anyway, just a suggestion if you want a little sugar on hand. And sometimes we have company, and they do not want Splenda or Saccharin or anything like that. So we have this on hand. So you might want to get that too. This is a slow cooker hearty beef stew. This was very, very good. I will get this again. I put it in. I did a little stew beef. It has the seasonings in it. It was good. All right. Is there anything else in here? Okay, and then I showed you this before. This is the butter milk recipe, hidden ranch, restaurant style dressing, ranch mixed dressing. Can you see it? It's good. This is good. If you've got some sour cream and you want chips and dip, just add this to your sour cream. Okay, I'm gonna go in this bag over here, see if there's any more else. I'm sorry I'm hitting you. All right. My husband is a sensitive guy, so we have this sensitive skin. It's a body wash, and we like it. I have found out that anything has green dyes in it, he's allergic to. So I try to get the Dove. Dove has been really, it's been around for a long, long time. But I got this in the pump. I think I got this at Walgreens. I also have the Dove shampoo. And this one is made with avocado, and I cannot read that. But anyway, maybe you can read it. There you go. Love the Dove products. It keeps my hair shiny. My husband used the Head and Shoulders, Old Faithful. He loves this. This one is not for sensitive. I think but anyway, he likes it. If you need something, if your scalp is getting really itchy or whatever, try this. That's all he uses. He doesn't use any other kind of shampoo. Good old Listerine. I think that's why I have good reports with my dental hygienist because I use Listerine. If I have a little proxy, I have to get between my teeth. I do it on a little proxy with Listerine. I gargle with this, and sometimes I brush with this. It works for me, and I think it'll work for you. And you know, people, oh, I don't like Listerine. I'm not sure if other ones work as well as the good old original, but I stand by this, I promise you. The Dawn Ultra, love this. They have another one coming through. It's called dish spray. They can spray on your dishes. We have a dishwasher, of course, but I love this also for outside cleaning our furniture, our outside furniture. Take a brush, take some Dawn, scrub it, rinse it down. It works like a charm, especially if after your furniture has been out for a long time and you get that sort of the, not mold, I guess it would say, but it turns the colors when it sits out in the elements. So try this. Dawn works. I don't think you can go wrong with Dawn. Let's see what else. Good old blueberries. I threw these in there. These are Georgia grown. Sweet. These were the sweetest and the best blueberries. We have noticed that since we have been doing our shopping with Instacart, that they pick out the best produce, and these blueberries, yum, yum, yum. Let's see. The last in this bag is the One Day ActiveView Moist Contact Lens. I love these. These are bifocal contacts. I take them out every night, put new ones in. Love them, love them, love them. I've been wearing glasses since I was 4 years old. My twin and I started when we were 4 years old. So, there you go. This Dove, I got this in a pack. I got this at Costco. I won't get this again. See what it started doing? It started breaking apart. And I know it's all over me. But I will not get it again. It worked for me, but it broke apart. So, alright. I'm going to be jiggling this bag again. Sorry, y'all. Here we go. Pantene 5-in-1 conditioner. I'm still out on this one. I'm not sure. I saw someone's video recently and they said anything that starts with a P do not use for your hair. I don't know what that meant. I think it strips it or whatever, but right now this one worked fine. I just got another one. I bought a 2-pack, so I'll let you know. But so far so good. But this is conditioner. I have shampoos. I might use different kinds of shampoos, and as you know, my hair is so natural curly, but it works for me. My hair's pretty shiny with it too. I used it this morning. It got empty. All right, let's see if I do it without moving the camera. Oops, whoops. Y'all, hold on. Another Dove. Hold on. And here's another Dove shampoo. So that's it. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. Even though you have those masks on, continue to smile because you'll be able to see your eyes squinting when you smile. I love you until tomorrow, and I hope you enjoyed these empties. I enjoyed emptying everything. Bye, until tomorrow. I love you. I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? A virtual hug.